hold on. Hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all safe and doing well. So today I have a very special package to open, and the special package is from Sepia. So if you haven't watched my video about the Decora Girlz dolls, go check that out. It explains everything about what I am unboxing today. So I'm not entirely sure what's in these boxes. All they told me is that there's going to be an 11-inch doll and 5-inch, as well as the sticker store set inside of here. And yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Got my scissors right here. I don't know if you can see, it says smile scissors. Wow, okay. Ah! Okay. Ah, you see the thing? Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, okay. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look. It's her! It's Miss Decora! Okay, this feels so unreal to like actually hold this, because they did show me the design for the boxes that they were gonna send out. But to actually hold it in my hands, wow! Okay, and then you can see the Sepia logo at the top, and it says Decora Girlz. Oh, I didn't realize it also says Decora Girlz on the side too. Ta-da! Oh, what does it say? Calling all trendsetters. Are you ready to dive into a world of color, creativity, and cuteness overload? Introducing Decora Girlz, the ultimate blend of fun, fashion, and fabulousness. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, so yes, in the box there's the 5-inch mystery dolls, and then the fashion girls, which are 11 inches, and then the sticker store playset. Oh, and they also included accessories in here too. I don't know why I'm so nervous to open this up. Wow! But here's the inside of the. Wow! Here's the inside of the box. There's lots of confetti and stuff. Move this aside. Whoa, that's a lot of confetti. Oh, okay. So I think this is the 5-inch. Do you see? Oh my gosh, there she is. Wait, we have to free her. Oh man. Okay. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, okay, okay. And then this is the sticker store right here. Dang. Decora Girlz sticker store. Ooh, it has a little handle so you can carry it like a bag. A bag. We'll look at this in a separate video. I think in this one I just want to focus on this one. So we'll move aside this one is the 5-inch and the sticker store, but let's open this one up. Oh, and these are the accessories they included too. Oh man, there's so much confetti in here. Oh, the stickers. Oh gosh, there's a brush. Okay, I guess this goes with her, so we'll keep that. And then, oh, more accessories. Oh gosh, oh man, the band-aid. This is Decora Girlz. And also the bracelets, Decora Girlz, happy, all cute. So let's chuck all of this confetti back in here. And then we'll talk about you. So, like I said, in this video, I'm gonna focus on the unboxing of the 11-inch, and then I'll link down below the videos of me unboxing the 5-inch as well as the sticker store, and you can check those out over there. Let's see what they said about this. Decora Fashion Girlz, Level up your doll game with ultra stylish Decora, Celestia, Luna, and Sweetie, now in an 11-inch size. Get ready to style and decorate their amazing hair, flaunt their fantastic fashions, and explore a world of wear and share accessories and stickers galore. But let's open up Miss Ma'am first. Wrapped her up. Wait, why is the stand... I just realized that I've been holding her upside down this entire time. I was like, wait, why is the stand up here? Like, did they put it on top of her head? No, it's because I was Okay, let's just... Oh my gosh! Hold on. Okay, that's that first layer of the, like the embryo layer. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Ah. Oh, okay, wait. She's a little bit... Oh, okay. She's off the stand. So, yes, it comes with a stand, and it says Fashion Decora Girlz on the bottom of the stand. Oh my gosh, you can't tell, but I'm kind of shaking and nervous right now. Because it's like, wow, this is my first time meeting her in person. Oh my gosh. So she's already got some hair clips on top. So there's, yeah, 1, 2, 3 hair clips. And already right off the bat, the hair, super soft. Wow. Oh man, she's got a big head. No, I accidentally pulled her. Okay. Oh man, I'm like, I feel like, I feel so scared to hold her. I don't know why. Like, I'm trying to be as delicate as possible because she's my child, okay? I want to protect her. I guess I'll hold her by the head. So we'll start from the top again. So the 3 hair clips, and then the hair is very thick. Like, there is a lot of hair going on over here. And then you can see the face with, there's already... Oh, right! I just remembered. They told me that they pre-stickered her before they sent Decora to me. So usually when you first get the doll, it's not gonna come with all the stickers on it. So yeah, they put like a sticker right here on the arm and on the sock and on the face and stuff. But because I'm gonna be traveling very soon, they're like, well, we got you. We'll pre-sticker her and send it to you. So thank you, Cynthia, for pre-stickering Decora for me. They did it so cutely too, like with the rainbow band-aid and the stars. Oh gosh, I don't know how... Man, I'm so sorry to like all the doll collectors out there if I don't know how to... I'm a very casual anime figure collector. I've never really collected dolls before, but I did have dolls growing up, but I don't really know like all the professional terms, so I apologize if this is not a very good review. But here she is. The skin, I don't know, do we talk about skin with dolls? It's very soft, and so she's got a bag right here. The bag has a keychain hanging on it. Oh, it's connected. Okay, so you got to cut that off. The bag has like a rubber kind of texture, and then this is the top. Oh my gosh, her arms are so like jelly. It's not, how do I explain this? So the jacket is removable. Gosh, actually, I should probably cut off the tag because it is connected to, it's got a little plastic. So let me cut that off real quick. So this is her little jacket. It's like a color block kind of jacket. And you can also remove the bag. And it looks like on the back of the top, there is like a Velcro, so you can change the outfit. The skirt does have Velcro, so you can also remove the skirt too to change the outfit. And the inside, like the top part, is sort of like a onesie sort of thing. So you can take that off too. I'm not sure if these numbers mean anything to anyone, but she's got like a number tattoo on her back. You can see like the skirt is like this shiny type of material, and the top has like this little bow embroidered on it. She has ears. Oh, it looks like the fuzzies that she has are also removable. There's Velcro. She has shoes, these platform. Oh, okay. There's like a slit on the back, so you can just slip them off. Oh my gosh, I thought I broke her ankle. Okay, let's take that off. It just pops right off. And the socks, the thigh highs, are also removable. And if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can switch the socks. but I won't do that. Maybe next time. Her arms are so bendy, look. Woo. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is so interesting. Whoa. Hello. Okay, she's got all her clothes back on, so let's talk about the articulation. So head can go left, right, and it stays that way, and up, down, like that. And the arms, like I said, it's like very jello-y. Jello-y? I don't know if that's the word to use, but it's very like you can move it around. It's not just like a stiff arm. And okay, so right here, the shoulder, you can go up and down, like so. And not just up and down, you can also, you see what I'm doing, like twist it like that, so she can have her arms up or down. And also meep, 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 like that, meep, 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 meep. And the arms are like, the waist can go like that, that. The legs go up and down. Oh, they can also go side to side too. The ankles are actually like, it's like the feeling of the arms. It's like sort of jello-ish. So they're like, so I put her on the stand so that you can kind of see how she looks like just standing on it. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. But here's the brush that it comes with, and just brushes through the hair, the long luscious hair. And oh right, yeah, let me show y'all the scalp situation. So what's the thing called? Something about rooted, but all the hair, that's how it looks like inside. Let me see how she looks like under. Oh, she's got eyebrows. She's got pink eyebrows. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Actually, I want to try something out. I want to see if I can put like my regular hair clips on her. Let's see if that works. Let me grab one. So this is my own hair clip. Did not come with the box. Just an FYI, but I want to test and see if I can just put my own hair clips. Oh, oh, that's so cute. But you can also, so there's stickers that come with it too that you can also use as hair clips and face stickers. And you don't have to just put the stickers on the face and the hair. You can also put it on the rest of the doll too, like her outfit. Like let's say, you know, this orange sticker, you just boop, pop it right on the outfit. These stickers and these stickers. So you got, it comes with a bunch of like the nose band-aids. And these cute ones too. Well, let's try this one out. So try one of these and then just sticker that on. Oh no, it's on her eye. Hold on. I don't want to put the sticker on her eye. No! Oh gosh darn these long nails. I know for some people it's probably not long, but I'm not used to this. We'll try one of the puffy ones. Ooh, let's go with this one. I like this one a lot. This rainbow flower. And you just boop. Right on the hair. Dun 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 dun. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, I love her so much. Oh man, I love touching her hair. It's so soft. Brush, brush, brush. Oh, Kylo. Yee. Oh man. So that is Decora. So she's not going to be the only one that's 11 inches. There's going to be 4 of them in total. So Decora, as well as Celestia, Luna, and Sugar. They are going to be at Walmart just before Easter. She's got fabric fashions, fully rooted nylon hair, stickers, and barrets, plus a charm you can wear. Okay, so you can take this off of the bag and you can carry it around too. Same thing with like all the stickers. Like these, you can put it on your own face, like your own hair. So I think that's really cool how, you know, you can both share your accessories together. Even the hair clip that I use, I put it on her hair too. Oh my gosh, she's like my little best friend, my little Decora best friend. Oh, this is so cute. She also comes with a stand. She's fully articulated. And the price will be about $23 to $25. There's so much space for you to put stickers and hair clips and to like braid the hair. I wonder if you can actually like use a hair straightener or something to, you know, straighten it or curl it. I need to ask that. But if y'all have any questions about the doll and if I didn't cover something, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll try my best to answer. And if I don't know the answer, I will ask Sifia and give you the answer. But yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't want to put her down. I want to hold her. She's mine. And now let's go ahead and check out the 5-inch doll as well as the sticker store. So we're gonna go hop on over to that video if you want to learn about these. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I'll see you in those other videos. Thank you so much to Decora Girlz for sending me these products to try for free. But otherwise, I hope you have a great week. Please take care and bye-bye. Hold on. Bye-bye. Bye. Take care.